Khadijah ada dua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start the discussion,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start the discussion, let me introduce myself. My name is Sania Rahman. Today, I will moderating discussion about SI organization, that is SI outlining. Before we start the practice, let's recite basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, so about SI organization, that is SI outlining. Before we make an SI, we have to make an to make SI organized. Making SI outline to planning the SI in more organized idea and details. First, there is an introduction, which is included thesis statement. Second, body, which have topic sentence, and concluding main supporting point and supporting details. And the last, there is a conclusion of the SI. We have to notice the points on SI. First, the introduction, body, and conclusion are numbered with Roman numerals 1, 2, and 3. The second, the topic sentence of each body paragraph is given a capital letter A, B, C, and so on. And the third, each main supporting point is numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on. And fourth, each supporting detail is given a small letter A, B, C, and so on. And the last, each time the outline moves from a Roman numeral to a capital letter to an Arabic numeral, the text is indented. Indenting makes it easy to see the movement from big to small, from main points to specific details. So we have to make it the SI clear by giving numerals and alphabet in outlining SI. So let's start the practice one that we want to discuss about. In practice one, this is about introductory paragraph. In the following introductory paragraph, the sentences are in scrambled order. So we have to make it organized or make it a unity in one paragraph. So we have to rewrite them in correct order. There is three, actually this is three. There are three paragraphs that we can correct the order. Anyone wants to correct first paragraph?
Can I?
Yes, please.
In my opinion, the first paragraph is nowadays, many men and women work in law, accounting, real estate, and business.
Okay, so
that's the first in the paragraph.
Number 3 is the first. I will
Yes.
place them in the front
Okay.
because this
And
is the general statement. You choose it because
yes.
it is the general statement. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay. And next.
Okay, and then the second is these people are serious about become successful, I guess.
Okay. Because many men who are working are serious people about becoming successful and then work long hours. So they will work long
Yes.
hours. Okay. Let's move it after the third. Okay.
Okay, and next is people who work long hour are called workaholic.
Okay. People who work long hours. Okay.
Okay.
And
And then next is the number 2 because they work so many hour.
okay. Okay, and the last.
The last is therefore.
Okay, thank you, Yasmin. Is there anyone to give a suggestion or this is already the right answer? Anyone?
Maybe
Right.
that's already the right answer.
Okay, I think so too because it's already united in one paragraph. Okay,
Yeah.
then let's to the second number. The second. The second, yes. I think I try to answer this one. Or maybe someone wants to answer this one.
No?
Okay. Anyone? Okay. I will try to answer it. I think the first one is driving a car is
Four.
everybody.
Yeah.
Okay. Because this is the general statement of this paragraph. Oh my God. I'm sorry. And then the second one is mm, after we driving a car is a necessity in today's busy society, it is also a special privilege. So people should um, therefore anyone who wants to drive must carry driver's license. But so I will choose the first one. And then after must carry a driver license, so it should be the third. The third is the third. Okay. The third is the third one.
Yes.
The third sentence is the third one. Okay. The last is the second one. It is divided into 4 steps: studying the traffic laws, taking the written test, learning to drive, and taking the driving test. Okay, the last one. The third. This is talking about teenagers years. So the general statement is the teenagers years. Anyone want to give suggestion? Or this is the
I
right
think
one?
the third one.
Okay.
Why do you think so?
I think because this is the general statement about the teenagers between childhood and adulthood, a period of growth and inspiration.
And that's already the right sequence. 3, 1, and 2.
Oh yeah, right. During this period, children separate themselves from their parents and become independent. Okay, so it is already the right order. I think we have found all the answer of the practice one about the introductory paragraph. Is there anyone to add something or maybe still doesn't get it about the answer or maybe you feel doesn't right?
Huh?
Masih ada yang ini nggak masa nggak ngerti? Aku perlu dijelasin lagi kenapa bisa urutannya kayak gitu.
Menurut aku nggak usah, sudah jelas.
Udah jelas.
I think it's already clear enough. And the process is already right.
Pokoknya introductory paragraf itu diawali dengan yang general statement-nya. Jadi urutannya itu harus dari most general sampai least general. Okay. Then we pass the practice one. Let's get into practice two. Okay. Practice two is about body paragraph. For each thesis statement, we have to write public sentences for 3 supporting body paragraphs. So, in the future, if we want to make an essay with the thesis statement, one of these thesis statements, we have to know the topic sentence of each paragraph that we will build in body paragraph. So, is anyone want to answer the first one?
Me.
Okay, Dara.
Okay. For the the body paragraph, the first body paragraph that young people who live at home might bring several advantages.
Just
Aku
wait.
pilih yang live, bukan yang don't live.
Okay.
Terus the first supporting body paragraph, I think. Ayam. Maaf.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
The
Have to rush.
first body paragraph is the people would not easily contaminate by bad surrounding. The will not contaminate with bad surrounding. And the second supporting body paragraph is the young people can do their positive activity maximally under the parental guidance. Sani
Maybe
mau yang
Maybe
A?
you can send the comment, send comment about it because I can catch clearly because I should write it down. Maybe you can comment.
Yang A ya tadi, nomor
Yeah,
1A. The young people
my young people.
Would not easily contaminate By bad surrounding.
By bad surrounding.
And the second supporting body paragraphs is the young people
Yeah, the
can do their positive activities
okay.
maximally under the parental guidance.
Under
The parental guidance.
the parental guidance.
And the last supporting body paragraph is the young people would stay healthy.
Okay.
I think that's all. Any comment?
Okay. Okay. Is there anyone who wants to add about it? Or is it enough?
Okay, if it's clear enough, I want to continue the second number.
Oh, you want to add the second one too?
Ya tidak ada.
Okay. So you want to Dara want to ask number two? Answer number two.
Mr. Number.
Okay, the second number. And the first body.
I'm sorry, I can hear because the signal here.
Okay, maybe
Signal
my
here.
signal.
My signal. Signal.
Signal. My signal is bad. Okay.
I'm so sorry. Okay.
Okay, the second apa ini soal
Second question.
So,
What? I cannot hear clearly. Maybe you can write it down on the comment section.
On the chat section.
Anybody
Yeah.
hear my voice?
Yes,
Anybody
but
hear my voice?
yes.
Yes.
But when you talk about the second question,
We cannot hear anything when you try to answer the question.
yeah.
But suddenly when you ask, "Can anybody hear me?" We can hear it clearly.
Oh, okay. Maybe we have to move on because we know the time is not the time is not enough for us to talk much. Maybe we already know about the practice 2 about how to answer it. Yes. Let's move on to the practice 3. How about it? Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Because we have already known. So yeah, practice 3 concluding paragraph. It's about we have to know about how to conclude the paragraph after we write down introductory paragraph and the body paragraph. And this is already we got an example about advertising, about an essay titled advertising, and this is the introductory, and this is the topic of the body paragraph. So this is possible concluding paragraphs. Anyone can read it first and then they answer the possible concluding paragraphs, please. Or maybe I choose the person who want to read this.
You can choose the person.
Okay. Maybe I will choose the present person to read the introductory paragraph. Dipa, just read the introductory paragraph. Dip, are you there? Or we have to move on? Or Halija? Halija, please read the introductory paragraph that I block it. Halija, are you there? Okay, no. Yasmin?
Okay.
Okay, Yasmin. Thank you.
Unless you live on an uninhabited island in the middle of a big ocean, you cannot escape advertising. People in the modern world are continually exposed to ads and commercials on the radio, on television, on billboards, in their mailbox, and on their computers. However, advertising is not a modern phenomenon. Advertising has been around for a long time, as a review of its history shows.
So after we hear about the introductory paragraphs, we know that it is about advertising that has been around for a long time. And then the point of the paragraph,
Yes.
the topic of the paragraph, maybe anyone want to read it? Diva, Halija? Halija?
Halijah.
Okay, Halija. Read the
Sorry guys, dari tadi di mute. Ternyata.
Halija. A, B, C, D. Read the A, B.
Okay, I think I choose
Halija,
D.
read first. Halija, read first.
Okay.
A, B, C.
Okay. A, as early as 3000 BC, merchants carved sign in wood, clay, and stone to put about their shops. B, in ancient Egypt, merchants heard people called cries to walk through the street announcing the arrival of ships and their cargo. C. In medieval Europe, shop owners heard cries to direct customers to their shops. And D. The invention of the printing press was the start of the advertising industry as we know it today. And the
So it is
possible concluding paragraph. Okay, A, B, C, or D. I choose D.
why? It is not uh,
I think so.
uh, it is not about pilihan. Gimana sih pilihan? What is pilihan in English?
No, it's not about the choices. We have to make the concluding paragraph ourselves. Don't we? We're supposed to
Halija,
make it ourselves, right?
ya
Choice.
ABCD ini dia itu adalah topik per paragrafnya di body paragraf. Jadi isinya itu tentang historinya si advertising. Nah, kita sekarang disuruh milih possible concluding paragrafnya.
Okay, sorry.
Oke, nggak apa-apa, Lija.
And the possible concluding paragraph. 1. As we have seen, advertising has been a part of merchandising for at least 5,000 years, from the curved signs above doorways in ancient Babylonia to the annoying pop-ups on modern computer screens. Advertising has been a part of daily life. Its form might change, but advertising will undoubtedly be with us for a long time to come.
Iya,
And I
ya. Jadi ini kan apa namanya concluding sentence-nya.
yes,
Iya benar, concluding
yeah,
paragraph salah. Ya. Jadi setelah kita baca semuanya, kita bisa menentukan which one the concluding paragraphs. Based on the introductory and the body of paragraph, we can choose one as the possible concluding paragraph because it's about advertising that has been around for a long time and the review of history shows of other advertising. Okay, and the last part is practice 5 about outlining. So we have to complete the following outline and decide what sentence that we can fulfill in this outline. Anyone can, maybe we have to see the first about what topic. The topic of outline is styles of popular music. First, the introduction-nya, thesis statement-nya itu ada 3 of more successful styles of reggae, punk, and rap. The first one is A. One style of popular music is reggae. Diva, would you like to answer the A1, 1 until 6?
Sure.
Okay.
Hold on. So for the body, part A. One successful style of popular music is reggae. Right, and for number 1. Born on the Caribbean island of Jamaica in 1960. Then I would like to add the short phrases. In the 1970s, reggae music began to spread throughout the world. And then for already the answer from the document, it developed from Menta. And some other phrases to be added to this point is first, Menta is a style of Jamaica folk music which was sung and featured by acoustic instruments such as acoustic guitar and drums. And then the second phrase I would like to add, the development form of Menta is becoming a music style called K, which is characterized by walking bass line, accented with rhythms on the upbeat. And then the third, to match the phrase after it, to match the phrase guitar plays rhythm and bass plays melody, I would like to make the topic sentence as topic. The sound of reggae music comes from an imported instrument roll. And then the fourth one, I think it's about the influence on reggae music, which was the Rastafarian code, because it explains about the unusual sound mixes. And I would like to add more about the other influence itself, which are usually slower tempo, different rhythmic patterns, and religious philosophies related to it. And the fifth topic sentence is Bob Marley is a reggae musician. So to add other phrase, I would like to mention other reggae musicians, which are Winston Rodney, Toots Hibbert, and the Roy Wilson. And so, And then the sixth point, reggae gave a lot of influences for the later music like funk and rap. Should I continue to the party?
Maybe it's enough before we start the part, or maybe we can continue the party after this discussion because we don't have too
Alright.
much
Mm-hmm.
time. I think I should know the answer. Can you put down on the chat section
Oh,
comment
sure. I've already
so I can
copying that.
what your answer is?
Alright, hold up.
Thank you.
Okay, I have copied it.
Okay. Udah?
Udah.
Can you share?
Hmm?
Can you share it on the comment?
Hold up.
Maybe anyone want to add the IPA answers? IPA's answers?
Bentar.
Anyone? Yasmin atau Dara? Aja, ada yang mau ditambahin?
Enggak, sepertinya
Udah ya.
sudah jelas. Berhubung sudah siang juga.
Ya, jadi intinya dari discussion to conclude our discussion, this is about how to make the correct outline before we creating an essay. In the practice 4, we create our own outline, what we want to explain, what we want to describe by writing the topic sentence. First, the thesis statement, and then we write the topic sentence of the body paragraph, and then we provide supporting detail like this, and then we add some supporting. I'm so sorry. We add supporting points, and then after supporting points, we explain about supporting details to add more information and to make it clear how the essay that we want to explain. I think is it enough? I think that's enough that's all for our discussion today. Anyone want to ask a question? Or maybe it's you guys or have understand about all the practice.
Udah, berarti tinggal kita lanjutkan aja yang tadi belum ya dengan pola yang sama.
Iya, dengan pola yang sama.
Okay.
I think we have done the discussion. I will stop sharing. Halija, can you? Where is Halija?
Oh no. First,
Before we close, I want to record all our members.
Alija,
please open
your
camera. We have to document it.
She's gone again.
Screen-nya tadi.
Open your cam. Oke.
Oke.
Misternya nggak ada.
Ada.
Ada. Mbak, muka kamu cuma
Oke,
setengah.
I want to
Di gue nggak ada, woi.
question. Aja munduran dikit mungkin.
Kayaknya muka kamu cuma setengah.
Munduran
emang
aja
iya?
jangan dikit. Iya.
Iya. Nah, asalnya. Ya.
Ya gitu. Ya. Enough. Let's recite alhamdulillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Gila.
Udahan. Udahan.
Iya, udah.
Woi tadi
Iya,
keluar.
udah.
Ya udah kayak gitu aja. Halija masih ada yang nggak? Halija masih ada yang nggak ngerti?
Masih ada yang mau ditanyain lagi?
Salam.
Udah aja, udah. Coba. Itu di mute.
Halo penonton, nama aku Aginta.
Iya lupa.
Udah aja. Udah ya, alhamdulillah.
Keren banget.
Iya. Alhamdulillah ya. So this is the end of our discussion. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Halo guys.